Can a magnetic induction switch be added to the white controller? Yes, it can. A magnetic ring can be installed inside the pushrod, using a magnetic switch and meter together. Customers can adjust according to their own needs. Freely adjust the pushrod's stroke and fixed height. Our magnetic switch. It needs to be fixed onto our pushrod using our cable ties. Let's demonstrate. Fasten it and tighten with our screwdriver. Rising. The red light turns on. Reach the customer's required raised position. Lowering. The red light turns on. Reach the customer's required lowered position.